Greetings of the day to everyone. My name is Rachita Mathur, currently working as a legal intern at LexClick. So today I will be discussing on a topic, the secretariat. So the secretariat in general means a permanent administrative officer or department of a government. It is one of the most important principal organs of United Nations. It comprises of a Secretary General and such staff as the organization may require. Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly upon the recommendation of Security Council as he is designated as Chief Administrative Officer of the organization. Also, the Secretary General is appointed from smaller or from neutral state. Um, at the occurrence of five members is necessary for the appointment of Secretary General. Now, the eighth Secretary General was Ban Ki-moon. He took up the charge on 1st of June 2007 and his term was being expired on 31st of December 2011. He was then be re-elected on 21st June 2011 in order to maintain the international character of the Secretariat and to make it impartial. The Charter then provides that Secretary General and his staff shall not take any direction from any government and the member of the states of United Nations. It shall respect the exclusive international character of the responsibility of the Secretary General and the staff and shall not seek to influence them to discharge of their responsibility. According to International Civil Service Advisory Board, which consists of 11 members body, was being established in 1949, the decision was to replace it with the International Civil Service Commission was being taken up by the General Assembly in 1972. The commission has also been set up on 1st of Jan 1974. In 1973, the Secretary of General Assembly drafted a statute that to be referred as government for government that to be referred to government for comment. General Assembly has to adopt a statute on December 1974. The Commission held its first session on 19 to 30th May 1975 at headquarter in 1961 Soviet Union, which refused to contribute the same for the expenses incurred by the United Nations in Congo operations. The Soviet Union then demanded that there should be three Secretary General in a communist state, Western state, and in neutral states. This is also known as three Oka. Now, veto power was being demanded with respect to United Nations forces and administrative matters. Other states didn't agree with this and rejected the Soviet demand. Now, the function of Secretary General is he or she is the administrative officer of the organization. Secondly, he acts in the capacity of chief administrative officer of the organization in all the meetings of General Assembly, the Security Council, Economic and Social Council, and of the Trusteeship Council, and shall perform such other function as are entrusted by him by these organs. He has to make an annual report to the General Assembly on the work of the organization. The annual session of that General Assembly began with the annual report. His duty is to bring any matter to the notice of Security Council which he thinks that, in his opinion, if that matter threatens to maintain the international peace and security. The Secretary General gets collected all the statistics with regards to the economic condition of the whole world that submits those which deals with Economic and Social Council. Now, the report for preparatory commission that lists the functions of the secretariat under the following headings. First is general administration, second is technical function, third is organization and administrative of the secretariat, now financial function, then political function, then representational functions. The